IAS. Today we will be presenting answer key of just concluded BPSC 69 prelims exam, and the topic of discussion in this video is history, and the set we are discussing is C. So there were 30 questions asked in all, including Bihar history. So let's start. Question number 26. The Quit India movement in 1942 witnessed significant contribution from leaders of Bihar. Which prominent Bihar leader was known as Bihar Kesari and actively participated in the Quit India movement? Answer will be 26D. Krishna Singh. He participated in the Quit India movement. Moving on to next question. 27. In response to mass agitation of the Champaran movement, the British government took which step to address the issue? The answer will be 27A. Champaran Agrarian Committee. Answer will be 27A. Champaran Agrarian. Even Gandhi was the member of Champaran Agrarian Committee. Moving on to next question. 28. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1. The Servants of India Society. List 2. Debendranath Tagore, Tattvabodhini Sabha, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Atmiya Sabha, Ram Mohan Roy, and fourth option is Keshav Chandra Sen. Answer will be 28C. Servants of India Society, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Tattvabodhini Sabha, Debendranath Tagore, Atmiya Sabha, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, and the fourth option Keshav Chandra Sen, we know, founded Brahmo Samaj of India. Moving on to next question. 29. Amba Bai, a woman freedom fighter, belonged to which following state of India? Answer will be 29A. She was a freedom fighter, belonged from the state of Karnataka. Clear? Let's move on to the next set. 35. The Bakast movement in Bihar during 1937-38 was organized by whom? The answer will be A. Swami Sahajanand Saraswati. Moving on to next question. 36. Which of the following events during India's freedom struggle? Home Rule movement, Surat split, Kheda Satyagraha, Minto Morley reforms. Which of the following is of correct chronological order of events? The answer will be 36D. Firstly, Surat split 1907, Morley Minto reforms 1909, Home Rule League we all know 1916, and Kheda Satyagraha 1918. Moving on to next question. 37. Lord Lytton is not associated with which of the following? Please note the keyword not. A. The Vernacular Press Act. B. The Ilbert Bill. C. The Strachey Commission. D. The Arms Act. Answer will be 37B. Ilbert Bill. Ilbert Bill was introduced during the tenure of Lord Ripon in the year 1883. Moving on to question number 38. Which treaty was signed after Battle of Buxar? A. Treaty of Bassein. B. Treaty of Salbai. C. Treaty of Allahabad. D. Treaty of Sugauli. Answer will be C. Treaty of Allahabad. We all know Treaty of Allahabad was signed between Robert Clive and Sijaudollah and Shah Alam II. Now, moving on to next question. 39. Question number 39. The Dutch East India Company established its factory at Patna in which year? A. 1643, B. 1648, C. 1635, D. 1632. Answer will be 39D. 1632. 1632. The Dutch, we all know the Dutch were the second Europeans to set foot in India after the Portuguese. Now, moving on to question number 40. In which of the following movements did Mahatma Gandhi make the first use of hunger strike as a weapon? Options are A. Ahmedabad strike, B. Rowlatt Satyagraha, C. Non-cooperation movement, D. Bardoli Satyagraha. Answer will be 40A. Ahmedabad Satyagraha or Ahmedabad strike. We all know Ahmedabad strike was between the cotton mill owners of Ahmedabad and the workers over the discontinuation of the plague bonus. Now moving on to question number 111. The question is, the painting of Bodhisattva Padmapani is located at A. Ajanta, B. Badami, C. Bagh, D. Ellora. The answer will be 111. Question answer is A. Ajanta. Padmapani pose is painted in cave 1 of Ajanta. Now moving on to question number 112. Consider the following statement. Fahian was a Chinese pilgrim who visited India during the reign of Harsha. Second, Hyun Sang was a Chinese Buddhist monk who visited India during the reign of Chandragupta. Which of the following are correct? The answer will be 112 D, none of the above. Now, Hyun Sang visited during the reign of Harsha while Fahian visited during the reign of Chandragupta II. Now, moving on to question number 113. This question is match the following. List 1 Charaka, Brahmagupta, Varamihira, D. Vishakadatta. And list 2 is mathematics, medicine, playwright and astrology. Now answer for 113 will be C. So what is the answer? Charaka belonged to medicine, Brahmagupta mathematics, Varamihira astrology and Vishakadatta was a famous playwright, we all know. Moving on to question number 114. Who among the following introduced the Persian festival Navroz in India? Options are A. Balban, B. Iltutmish, C. Firoz Shah Tughlaq, D. Alauddin Khilji. And answer for this will be 114 A. Balban. Now Navroz was introduced by Balban and eradicated, or you can say removed, by Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. Moving on to question number 115. Nathpanthis, Siddha and Yogis made devotional regional religion popular in A. Eastern India, B. Western India, C. Northern India, D. Southern India. Now correct answer will be 115 C. Northern India. Nathpanthis, they believed in renunciation of religion, focused more on asanas, yogas and breathing exercises. Now moving on to question number 116. Consider the following statement regarding Wood's dispatch of 1854. First, it recommended English as a medium of instruction for higher studies. B. It laid stress on female education and vocational training. Which of the following statements are correct? Answer will be 116A, both of the above. Both of the statements are correct. We all know Wood's dispatch, known as Magna Carta of education. It promoted English as a medium for instruction for higher education as well as promoted female for entry in schools and colleges. Next, 117. The Maithili language was started to develop during the reign of which of the following dynasty? A. Karnat dynasty, B. Pithipatis, C. Chero dynasty, D. Oinwar dynasty. Correct answer will be 117A, Karnat dynasty, which ruled in the parts of Tirhut and Mithila. Now moving on to next 118. Which city served as the capital of ancient kingdom of Magadha during the early Vedic period? Options are A. Vaishali, B. Patliputra, C. Rajgriha, D. Champa. Correct answer will be 118 C. Rajgriha. Rajgriha was the capital during the Brihadrat dynasty during early Vedic period. Moving on to next question 119. Which of the following statements about Vernacular Press Act are correct? It was enacted by Lord Lytton. It came to be known as a gagging act. And third, the act was repealed by Lord Ripon. Answer will be B, all of the above. The act was repealed by Lord Ripon in 1881. So 119 answer will be B. Moving on to next question is 120. Which of the following statements about Lord Mayo's resolution of 1870 are correct? First, it was the first step that bifurcated central and provincial finances. B. Provincial government were empowered to administer certain services. Third, it attempted to rectify existing imparity. And fourth, it focused on the actual need of the provinces. Now answer for 120 will be C. which means 1 and 2 are correct, which means it did not attempt to rectify the existing imparity, and also it never focused on the actual needs of the provinces. So 120, answer C. Moving on to the next question, 121. The question is, Niti Sara, an early book of politics, was written by A. Kamandaka, B. Charak, C. Kautilya, D. none of the above. The correct answer will be 121A, Kamandaka, who was a disciple of Charaka, and the title was based on the life of Chandragupta of Gupta dynasty. Now moving on to next question, 122. Futuhat-e Alamgiri was written by A. Bhimsen, B. Haridas, C. Ishwardas Nagar, D. none of the above. Correct answer of 122 will be C. Ishwardas Nagar. He wrote this chronicle based on the life of Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. Moving on to question number 123. According to Chinese source Meghavarman, the ruler of Sri Lanka sent a missionary to which of the following Gupta kings for permission to build a Buddhist temple at Gaya? A. Samudragupta, B. Chandragupta II, C. Chandragupta I, D. none of the above or none of them. The answer for question number 123 will be A. Samudragupta. Please remember Samudragupta. Question number 124. When was Bihar first separated from the Bengal presidency under the British ruled India? It's a very easy question. A. 1936, B. 1947, C. 1912, D. none of the above. The correct answer of this question is 124 C. 1912. We all know Bihar separated from Bengal. Bihar plus Odisha separated from Bengal on 22nd March 1912, and Bihar and Odisha became a separate province on 1st April 1936. Now moving on to next set, 125. In Indian art, the construction of stupa, chaitya and vihara is related to which of the following? A. Buddhism, B. Shaiva, C. Ajivika sect, D. Vaishnav sect. The correct answer is we all know 125A, Buddhism. Viharas are the resting place for the monks, while chaityas are the prayer halls for the Buddhists. Now moving on to question number 126. In the context of Indian handicrafts, what is Sujani in Bihar? A. Type of embroidery, B. A type of clay pottery, C. A type of glassware, D. A metal craft. The correct answer will be 126A. It's an embroidery work of Bihar which has been granted GI tag in the year 2006. Now moving on to our next question in history from, remember, set C is question number 127. Consider the following statement regarding the Vikramshila University in Bihar. First, it was located in the present day Banka district of Bihar. Second, it was established by King Gopala of Pala dynasty. Third, Vajrayana sect of Buddhism flourished here. And fourth, other subjects like astronomy, logic, law, grammar and philosophy were taught here. Now correct answer for this will be 127B. We all know Vikramshila was founded in the present day Bhagalpur of Bihar by Pala king Dharmpala. Moving on to question number 128. Consider the following statement. The arrival of Babur into India led to the first, introduction of gunpowder in the subcontinent. Second, the introduction of arch and dome in the region's architecture. Third, establishment of Timurid dynasty in the region. And fourth, introduction of cannons in the warfare. Now correct answer will be 128B. Babur belonged from the Timurid dynasty and he did introduce cannon warfare in India. Next, moving on to question number 129. Which among the following ports was called Babul Makkah or Gate of Makkah during the Mughal period? A. Cambay, B. Broch, C. Calicut, D. Surat. Now the correct answer will be 129 D. Surat. Surat was considered as a pilgrimage site during Mughal period for pilgrimage to Makkah. So answer will be D. Now moving on to our last question of the day, 130. Asht Pradhan was a council of ministers. A. In Maratha administration, in Vijayanagara, B. Vijayanagara, C. Gupta administration, D. In the Chola administration. The correct answer will be 130A, Maratha. We all know Ashpradhan was conceptualized by Shivaji. The ministers were Peshwas, Amatyas, Vakanavis, Samant, Sachiv, Pandit Rao, Sare Naubat and Nyay. So this was a comprehensive list of answer key from 69th Bihar BPSC exam covering the Indian history as well as Bihar history. The difficulty level of question can be termed as easy to moderate. We will come up with more answer key in the next video. Till then, thank you. Goodbye.